Myanmar and their junta military rule, you know, they made sure it was coming up and down here. A beautiful mountain in Burma is right ahead of us. You can't even see it.
It's just all that smog, yeah?
So it scares me because soon it's trickling down to our neck of the woods. And then Chiang Mai. But before that, right here was the opium capital of the world.
At the border?
Well, the border of all three countries.
Yeah.
Yeah, Burma, Laos, and Thailand.
Oh.
Here they call it Laos. They don't use it as Laos.
Yeah. And that was
Myanmar, that was the opium capital of the world. You'll see when we go to the museum, the fields, the poppy fields, and it was Aka, my girlfriend's Aka. They were the planters, harvesters and growers. You'll see all these huge casinos and cranes. That's
what is that off across the river to the right?
Mekong, Minamkong.
But what country is that?
Mekong River.
The country.
That's Laos.
Laos.
All the casinos, hotels, Laos.
Oh.
China is building all those.
So what's Burma? Further down.
We're not at the triangle yet. The tipping point. But look how beautiful these casinos are.
Wow.
Nicer than Hawaii hotels. That's for damn sure. It's more like Dubai. Look at these hotels. Well, it's a pretty town because you're on the river too. You know, river towns are pretty. Nong Khai is another one. Right on the Mekong. They're pretty. For some reason.
I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
Big family style, Mel.
Yeah.
Okay, so order something you like. I know what I'm gonna like. I didn't know that. So people buy. I didn't know that. So that'll buy you a house, you know, right? That'll buy a house in China. Nice house. For 6 million. One nice one. Yeah, 3 million. You can have ice. Have ice. Oh, nít nói super. But you like gum this way. Or $2 something, not even $3. Jay. Oh, that's his. You gotta do with the sauce. Vermicelli and gung. Serve yourself while it's hot.
Take a scoop.
No, just take it while it's hot. The gung. You got. Laos, Burma, or Myanmar, Thailand, the Golden Triangle. It all converges right there. You see it?
Oh, what a red roof is.
You gotta. Don't take me shit. Funny, huh? See, but this is actually a good view too. If the trees weren't covering it, this is a bit. Be careful for this. Don't trip here. I counted 2, but there's 4. And it doesn't seem to be struggling at all, yeah?
Oh no.
Not at all. So like a tugboat, the prop's gotta be big. You see the tugboat prop, how big they are? It has to be big to be moving like that. Three points.